Hello! Kumusta mo? Kumusta mo? Kumusta ka mo? Kararating lang namin guys. Galing kaming bili sana kami ng fish ba? Kaya sarado pala pag Monday. Ano ba naman fishmongers na yan? Fishmongers. Yung nagtitinda ng ano lang talaga siya. Specific lang talaga siya na nagtitinda ng isda. Pero yung mga isda niya talaga hindi naman fresh. Alexa, what is the time in the Philippines?
It's 12:14 a.m.
12:14 a.m. Huh? 12, huh? Alas 12 lang naman. Alexa, is there any earthquake in the Philippines? Alexa, what is the news in the Philippines?
From Press Trust of India, Gaganjeet Bhullar stayed in the mix despite a closing bogey on the 18th in the third round of the International Series Philippines. Bhullar, who has been in the top 10 since the first round, is now tied 7th with rounds of 67, 69, 67 and is 13 over. Bhullar is 4 shots behind the 3 co-leaders, Samson Zeng, 62, Miguel Tabuena, 65, and Surit Sulamani, 69, who are all at 17 over. On a day when the fairways and 15 of the 18 greens, Bhullar still needs 28 putts.
Hello guys. Kumusta? Lugas ko ng plato guys. Pero hindi ko sinasawsaw yung kamay ko dahil ang init ng tubig ko. Kasi dapat lang na init dahil malamig ang panahon dito. Kasi kung hindi, yung oil mo titigas guys. Kailangan warm water ng panghugas. Oo. Kumusta naman kayo? Ako ay nakakot kasi galing kami sa labas ng asawa. Nag-grocery kami para may kunti na sa Marks and Spencer guys. Tapos, for 1 week, siguro na 4 days naming konsumo ba. Pero mayroon din kami mga gulay dito. Ako nga lang, hindi pa rin sila hindi talaga ako nag-live kaagad kanina kasi very busy as well. Gusto kong malaman nyo na ako ay guys, kasi yung kamay ko still earthing. Yan yun na nagarito ako. Tapos siyempre ganyan ako naghuhugas talaga ako ng guys ng tawag dito what you call this, sangkalan, kadtaran, sangkalan yan sa yan, ginaganyan natin yan guys.
Just wondering where I might have left it in the car, you know, when you went out.
In your jacket.
No, I'm fine, sweet.
In your phone, Sagot ko naman nasa jacket mo kasi umalis kami kanina. Yung pala okay. Ang hirap guys kasi masakit ang kamay ko pa rin pero gusto ko na bumalik sa trabaho. Paano ba ito? Gusto ko na talaga bumalik sa trabaho guys.
Sit down.
You got it? Hi, Vanessa. Gumaga. Ay, nakatapos din. Nagugas sa iyon. Ganyan talaga guys. Ay, gagawin para ako guys. Yung aking breadcrumbs. Ito yung gagawin ko ng breadcrumbs. Tingnan natin kung pwede ba dito sa ano. Blender na i-touch. Tingnan na kasi tingnan natin para malaman. Sasak natin ito. Tingnan lang natin guys kung hanggang saan ito. Ay, why not? Subukan natin. Nagagawa ako ng ano. Hello? Ingay po kasi. Gumawa ako ng breadcrumbs, kaya lang. Hindi ko siya pino. Kailangan talaga pino. Ganito din ba kayo gumagawa ng breadcrumbs, guys? Mayroon pang malalaki eh. I was thinking, yung aking bullet. Ang aking bullet ang aking gamitin. Kasi pag hindi mo itry, hindi mo talaga malalaman. No? Hindi mo malalaman. Ano ba ito? Saksak muna natin. Okay. Sakit ang kamay ko. Galing dyan. Kasi hindi talaga siya mapino. Resourceful naman ako, guys. Tingin ko ba sa sarili ko kung ano, matagal eh. Tsaka malaki kasi to. Malaking space. So, mahirap siya ipinuhin. Hello sa inyong lahat. Scarlett Alcher. Ang pangalan? Vanessa Umaga. Try ko lang. Kasi, ayoko din kasi magkalat. Why not? Pag may gadgets kang ganito, ang bilis ng trabaho mo. Pero marami pa akong gagawin. Isang tray yan. Gawin kong tawag nun. Breadcrumbs. Kasi gagawa ako ng pandesal. Gagawa ako ng Spanish bread. Like that. Diba? Try ko lang kung okay siya. Meron pa din. Ganun lang. Ano lang ako. Experiment. Ay, happy na ako nito. Kailangan ko ng lalagyan. So, ang lalagyan ko ay Tupperware. Ito ko ilagay yung aking breadcrumbs. Hugas na to kahapon. So, make sure lang. Basa. Hindi wala siyang basa. Oh, wow! Nagawa ko na, guys. Breadcrumbs. Diba? Yung lumang maganda gabi po, Ate Beth. Same tayo ng blender. Easy to clean. Salamat! Yan na nga. It's easy to clean. But, I still have to use the kuan. Yung tawag dito. Yung malaking, hindi ko blender, ang tawag dito. Tingin ko ba masisira ito? Tingin ko lang masisira ang ngipin nito. Meron kasi akong, ano guys. Ayun. Meron ako mga ganito.
Let me just move my stuff in. You're just going to use the toilet, Hannah.
Yeah.
What's that?
Gusto ng asawa ko yung ganyan. May ginagawa siya. Ako din, dapat busy ako sa kusina. Miski hindi ako nagluluto. Basta busy lang ako ng sarili ko. Yan ang gusto niya. Different kami na ano. Kaya naman, asawa ka nga. Pero, ano naman, gusto niya, magkaiba kami ng, kasi nagkakabanggaan kami na. Nagkakabanggaan. Natatawa ko dyan sa salitang nagkakabanggaan. Kasi true naman eh. Kaya kayo laging nakakasama, nagkakabangayan kayo. Hindi man sinasadya, pero magkaiba kayo ng point of view. Ayun, ayun to. Always be aware. Ay.
Keep up there, that's high up, and I like that.
Ne.
Yeah.
Yeah. I help the machine because if it's not,
Yeah, it takes ages.
it broke the teeth, isn't it?
Yeah, but I don't want broken teeth. I don't want broken teeth. I've just changed our electric out of the Scottish Power.
Yeah,
Cheaper.
they are cheaper.
Yeah, and we get half price electric at the weekend. So that's when we do all our washing.
Ah, so Saturday, Sunday.
Saturday and Sunday. Well, you're off on a weekend. So it starts on the 24th.
How much?
Well, we should save maybe £250 a year.
Savings?
Yeah. But we don't use nowhere near as much electric as.
No, only cooking.
Yeah. Oh, mate, you're alright. I know that's like when you're out and about and you need a wee. It's nice to get have a wee.
Gawin natin paraan guys, yung mga old bread natin, gawin natin breadcrumbs. Ngayon, kung wala naman talaga kayong means para ano to, pwede nyo ipagiling doon sa yung nagigiling ng bigas. Yun, pwede nyo ipagiling doon sa mga nagpapagiling ng bigas sa merkado. Yun, kasi malinis naman yun. Basta yung dry lang, hindi yung may tuyo, may basa. Lagyan ng water, no. Yun. So, tatlong klaseng yan guys. Yung ginawan ko is tatlong klase. Paano? Kasi ginagawa ko muna dito. Yan, pinaprush ko muna. Mas manipis ang hiwa, mas mabuti. Mas manipis ang hiwa guys, mas mabuti. Kasi hiniwa ko yan, oh, yung bread. Ang ginawa ko, nagpandesal ako. Hindi siya umalsa ng maayos. So, imbis na itapong ko, kasi isip ko wala akong breadcrumbs, ang gagawa ko pandesal, wala na namang breadcrumbs. Pero ang dami kong nakain nito, ha? Tapos, ang ginawa ko na lang, hiniwa-hiwa ko. Tapos, hiniwa-hiwa ako. Tapos, nilagay ko sa oven. Tinoast ko siya for about 25 minutes. Tapos, yan, kasi ganito nga. Kailangan ko muna durugin bago ko ilagay sa akin. Food processor. After the food processor, i-ano ko sa bullet blender. Ang tawag doon. Basta easy to clean. Easy to clean lang sa aking friend na nag-comment. It's many, hindi siya mahirap gawin. Yung little is, resourceful ka, paano mo tulungan yung mga machine para di ba sira. Kasi sira talaga yung ngipin ng tinry ko kanina eh. Mahihirapan ang machine. Lagay mo lang ito dito. So you have to help. Ganito. Kung wala kayong ganito guys, pwedeng bote. Wooden roller to eh. Ang iba naman kasi wala na. Pero madali lang ito bilhin guys. Marami ito sa online, merkado, ganyan. So, yeah, ganyan ako maghahanap ako ng way paano makatulong sa machine dahil masisira ang iyong machine kapag hindi mo tutulungan siyang gawin. Then, I have to put it down. Tapos, lagay ko na ito balik dito. Kasi ano lang yan guys, pwede pang gamitin. Ito, kung ang mamayari nito dahil madami, we'll see kung kaya ba ng machine. Kung hindi kaya ng machine, adi ang gagawin ko ay kasi makapal yung iba na ginawa ko. Hello everyone. Mag-invite tayo ng yung mga friendship ko na hindi kakain ng rice, pwedeng bread lang kakainin mo. Tapos order kayo sa akin ng Spanish bread. Oo, mayroon akong kasi dati, background ko dati na sa care home ako nagtatrabaho. Tapos, ang ginawa ko, pinatikim ko yung baking ko. Mahilig talaga ako magluto, guys. Baking, ganyan. Mga British pa yun, ha? Ang nangyari, pinatikim ko sila sa lahat ng aking ginawa. Ay, Diyos ko, nagsipag orderan ko sila. Ngayon, ako naman hindi magtanda ugaga sa mga order nila. Kaya nagpapatikim talaga ako ng mga Hindi ko naman kinukompetensya yung mga friend ko na may gumagawa. Kaya lang, siyempre, hindi ko tinataasan yung presyo ko. Kasi nga, kilala ka muna. Kilala ka na muna. Ngayon, hindi mo na kaya magtrabaho dahil sa sobrang order, gagawin mo ay mag-ano ka na lang. Yung ba dapat maging resourceful ka? I think cooking is the best option of your earning money. Even sa Pinas, and here, I did try before. Talagang maganda kasi bahala na hindi ako kumikita ng malaki. Basta lang makikilala ako na gumagawa. Kasi later on, the more order that they give you, then doon ka na kumikita. Kanina hindi ako nagsasalita. Pero ngayon nagsasalita na ako. Teka, pahinga muna ako dyan. Tapos, ilagay natin dito. So, try natin again for the third time. This is my third time, guys, na lalagay ko siya sa aking tawag nito sa aking bullet blender. Dito sa bullet blender, guys, pwede kang maggawa ng chili. Hindi ko na yung onions, garlic, ganyan. Kaya nga lang, itong panahon na to, tatawa ko sa sarili ko. Kwento ko pa kasi. Grabe, ang lamig na yung mamamatay yung aking alugbati dyan. Dahil sa sobrang lamig ba? Huwag naman. Good. Yan na, guys. Madami na ako nagawa. Maging resourceful ka lang talaga. Kung paano Yeah, ano yung mga needs. Pero ito, patuloy ko na naman. Kasi, kailangan to medyo ano talaga kasi sisira ang ngipin ng ating food processor. I have to help the food processor. Hanggang pwede ka, ligitan ko pa. Alexa, what is the weather?
Right now in July, it's 6 degrees Celsius with mostly cloudy skies. Tonight's forecast is showers with a low of 6 degrees.
You see?
I like messing around outside.
What?
I like messing around outside. I'm going off in the garden and doing some weeding or doing some.
Because I don't know. I'm using it. Madane! Aha!
Yeah.
I am very resourceful.
You're using the cornflakes. Funny.
Okay. Give me. Before that will be soggy.
It's just stale.
Ah, yeah.
Yeah, I wash my hands. Put it in the fridge. You want me to do it up into individual?
Yeah.
How we're gonna put it in the freezer?
Oh, later.
I'll do it in a bit. I'll tell you what. I'll put it in the put it in the fridge now. I've got to do the beef. It was a nice show, man. I said it was a nice show, man.
It looks like I know him in Macvitis.
Yeah.
Yeah. Maybe he should work.
Maybe. They're well spoken. Oh, that's still oily. Splash it over.
Yeah, it's okay. That's my
Okay.
your tea.
Thank you. Just getting rid of all rubbish. Yeah. Recycle day. Tomorrow. Oh yeah. For Joey's birthday. He keeps missing out. I keep getting Tom's lot, the chocolates, but I don't get them. So he'll get that with his card and his money for next week. 7th. Gotta be done. Gotta be fair. Gotta be fair. That was quite surprising. We use half the electric as everybody else. He said, because you can pull everything up because the smart meters, I can log into them. So we can see what we're paying and you can see our usage. And he said, compared to everybody else in the cul-de-sac, we're using less than half of the electric that they're using.
Oh, we're good.
Yeah. He said, you're not a gamer or anything like that. I went, no. He said, you don't use a lot of technology here. I said, how do you work that one out? He said, because you ain't using a lot of electric.
I do.
I said, you do a bit of. But obviously, the introductory is we're going to get half price electric for the weekends. So that's the time to.
Only in the weekends.
On the weekend, so don't go mad.
So how much?
And that'll be time when you charge up the jackery on a weekend.
Yeah. True.
True. So true.
No. When? Last week? No. Do you normally they put paper in there, ne?
not like a sliding scale somewhere that you can check?
Hello. Gumagawa ako ng ano guys, ng breadcrumbs. Breadcrumbs. Tapos hindi ko naman ano tawag doon yung paggawa ko ng breadcrumbs very easy. Tapos hindi kailangan maraming efforts kasi ano lang yung nandyan, pero kasi nga meron food processor, so magaan para sa akin gawin. Ay. Tapos was more ano pa, yun ito. Ay, hindi ko tuloy na ano. Naano ko lang to guys kasi breadcrumbs, mga lumang tinapay ko na walang palaman like asal, ginawa ko na lang din breadcrumbs. Tapos meron akong cornflakes na umano na expire dahil hindi nasarag mabuti. Sinalo ko na din sa ano paggawa ng breadcrumbs. Yun. Si flour din naman yun. So, it's really good. Gawa ng paraan ba? Makagawa na ako ng pandesal! Makagawa na ako ng pandesal. Kala mo? Wala kayo na ano yan. Kasi ang pandesal hindi nabubuo. Ay, nabubuo naman. Kaya lang hindi pandesal yun. Pag walang breadcrumbs. Siyempre, maraming kalat basta breadcrumbs. No? Maraming ang kalat pag gumagawa kang tinapay. Yung akin ay breadcrumbs lang naman sa ngayon. Baka mamaya gagawa ako ng Spanish bread. Gusto ko yung gagawin kong Spanish bread ay malambot guys. Tapos, syempre, ang ating kalaman, breadcrumbs din naman yun. Yun nga, gamit na gamit ang breadcrumbs. Maga yung mata ko guys. Wala tulog. Kaya ako maagang nag-live. Nabinam na yung makapag-live ako kaysa mamaya pa. Tutulog kami maaga, ligo, kakain ng maaga, yun ang usapan na ng mag-asawa. I love you. Hindi kagad ako nag-ano guys, yung kapag nag-decide ako na magagawa ng tinapay, kailangan nasa mood talaga ako, exactly nasa mood. Kasi nai-effect po yun sa sa ginagawa natin. Luluto tayo tapos hindi tayo happy. Ang food natin hindi rin happy. Hindi masarap. Yun. Kaya pagka nagluluto tayo, kailangan magre-reflect yan sa ating feelings. Ating mood. Yan. Kasi ito. Ito nagluluto ako kanin. Ito yung ko. Sabi ng asawa ko, bakit hindi pa yan, hugas ng maayos. Okay, it's okay. Lulutuan mo lang naman ang kanin yan. Ito, magaling na sa akin. Hi! Kumusta? I love you. Hello, bebe. Hello, kambing. Ang pamangkin ko na si kambing. You know how much I love you. And this one, put it back into where it belongs. Pahinga na muna ako, guys.
Yeah, well, if I get diagnosed with anything, Leanne, I know where to come then for a bit of advice.
Well, yeah, my doctor, that Dr. Lee, he's like, the only thing about him,
He gives you what you want.
he gives you what you ask for, yeah.
Yeah.
He's obviously never read in my notes or whatever.
Yeah. Yeah.
But yeah, I'm all right, yeah.
Last night I was working. I was driving down the M6, doing as fast as the lorry would go, 56, and I was coming up to junction junction 27, which is just south of Lancaster.
Oh, yeah.
Before you get to Charnock Richards Services. Anyway, I'm driving along. This car's battling down the outside, and I'm thinking, there's fucking headlights coming towards me. Well, there was somebody driving in the middle lane coming towards us all.
No.
Yeah. So, yeah, I don't know whether they joined the motorway from Charnock Richards Services the wrong way or down at junction 26. But however they've done it, they were in the middle lane on the southbound carriageway heading northbound. So I'm in the inside lane, so I've tooted, put my four ways on, and obviously when I've seen him I've slowed down. He's gone there, this car's dodging all over the place, going out into the outside lane and falling in behind me. So I've got my earpiece in, so I've quickly phoned the police.
Yeah.
And they said they've had loads of phone calls. I said, well, I don't know how he's got on, but I said he's heading north on the southbound carriageway and he's north of the services now. So they went, yeah, we've got loads of, and it's like, shit, you don't expect. I'm thinking, why have I got headlights coming towards me on the motorway?
When you went back up there, there was no damage, I'm assuming, no cracks.
Well, there was a crash up there. When I came back up hours later,
Yeah.
there was a fire engine and there was obviously a crash scene at the side. So I reckon someone's walloped him.
Yeah.
I reckon he's got a good few miles, because they would have had to have shut the motorway to hold the traffic back. So whenever they could get one of the traffic officers up there and put the gantry up, and whether they can and get police out there. So he's obviously he must have been doing 50, 60 mile an hour coming towards you. So he could have travelled quite a way. And when I came up last night, yeah, around about 26, 27, there was fire engine and there was something at the side. So whether that was anything to do with it, I don't know. So I'm off this route now because at the moment, she's still off. She can't. She went to the hospital because she had a bad ear. So that is yeah, but if they wanted to, they could contact DVLA and get know and get what they call Section 88, which allows the driver to work under the code while his licence is away, being renewed. But DPD will do it for their own drivers, but they won't do it for the agency. So I took my medical and everything, so I phoned the agent and said, right, you did me work for last week and the week before. I said, so I can get you work for this week and then send it up. It needs to be renewed by the 2nd of December, so I've only got like 4.5 weeks. But apparently the manageress, one of the managers in the DPD was moaning because I was off. I'm off next week. And I said, well, they don't even tell the agency to put me on one. They just probably just do it out on one line. Anyway, I didn't want to do it, so I said, well, I've got to have a week off. No point, it's posted it this morning, so it will come back about, hopefully by Friday. Oh yeah, I just can't produce my licences for DPD. The dragging on the brake is the handbrake cable. So they've ordered one. So I'm hoping it turned up today. I'm hoping it turned up today and then he'll get it in tomorrow. Yeah, I know. Well, don't you? So I'll keep you informed when I get the van back, because obviously me and Beth are going to work on it. Because I've got to get it ready to have the covers fitted, because I want to fit it at the end of November. So I've got to get a certain amount done, and I want to test it as well, so we will go out for driving. At St Helens near Liverpool. So Tom bought a new car last week. He traded his Focus in and he bought a 71 plate Seat Arteca Auto. It's like the smallest SUV estate. Paid £16.5 for it. But he wanted rid of the Focus because of the wet belt. And he kept getting warning lights coming up for no reason, flashing on and off. And because he sent the message and said, because that DSG is the best info box out there. And he said that the automatic box on this Seat, it's all VW, he said it's far superior to the one that he had in his Focus. No, Sean, Tom had that Skoda, that DRS. That was a Renault 5 Clio that I got for Sean. Yeah, little turquoise green and blue. I don't think Sean's had a Seat. He got rid of that Clio and he got a. But they've changed all their cars. She's got Emma's got a 16 plate Qashqai. And Sean has now got he sold his little Fiesta for 2.5, 2.4. And he's got a little, I thought he played Dacia Sandero.